Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I refresh my wash and go. So how I refresh my curls like once or so a week. So if you saw my wash and go, or if you didn't see my wash and go, I will link it in the cards. But if you saw my wash and go, then you already know what I do to my hair and everything to get it to look the way that it looks when I wash and go. So now I'm going to show you what I do like once or so a week after I've already done my wash and go routine. So like I said in my last video, every morning I will mini refresh my hair with some water and with some conditioner. But when I really need to refresh my hair, like when it's looking kind of dull and lifeless, I will do this routine that I'm about to show you. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up so I know that you like it. And comment down below and tell me what else you want to see. What do you want me to do? I'll do it just for you. And make sure that if you are not already subscribed to my channel, that you hit that button. That button. Or that button. One of the buttons down there that says subscribe. And make sure you turn on my post notifications so that you never miss an upload, because I upload new videos every day. Monday through Sunday. Yep. So if you would like to see how I refresh my curls, then keep on watching. So I have had this wash and go. It's been going for about 10 days. Yeah. 10 days, because I did it on the 19th. 10-day wash and go. Come on now. So this is a 10-day-old wash and go. Almost 2 weeks. We are almost at the 2-week mark, so it definitely needs to be refreshed. But as you can see, my curls are pretty much still intact. They're still very much defined. They just need a little help. You know, just a little assistance, just a little bit. So what I am going to do is take my handy dandy spray bottle and wet my hair. Like when I say wet your hair, like wet it. You don't want it to be soaking wet, but you definitely want it to be wet. And I just really massage the water into my hair. Oh, that's cold. Just massage it in. So you get the kitchen, girl. Get the kitchen. And make sure every part of your hair has some water on it. Water is very important for curly hair. If you haven't figured that out, I'm here to tell you. And I'm just rubbing that in. Kind of like lotion, you know? Really get in there. And once you have your hair wet, you can see how they're already starting to come back to life. I'm just going to separate it a little bit, because around the 2-week mark is when my hair starts to get very, very unruly. And it likes to dread. So I just like to separate it a little bit, not too much, just to make sure that there aren't any parts that are starting to lock up. And I just gently separate them. Maybe start on the other side. So once you have all of your hair damp, I guess you could say. I like to say wet, but you know, to each their own. Once you have your hair dampened, wet, whatever you like to say, I take my conditioner, which right now I am using the Quenching Coconut Curls conditioner from OGX. It's not gonna focus, but this is what it looks like. And I use the ease method to apply this to my hair. So ease, the first E stands for edges. Conditioner, put it on my edges. Flip it over. Get that kitchen. So the A in ease stands for all over. So now we're just gonna put this all over the hair. So now we're moving on to the S, which stands for section. I like to section my hair into 2 halves, just right down the middle, because that's easiest for me. Ooh. And the last E in ease stands for ends. So what I like to do is take some conditioner. Instead of just putting it on my ends, I like to scrunch it into my ends. Once I'm done scrunching it into my ends, I will scrunch it into the rest of my hair. And now we do the other side. Okay guys, that's actually it. That's all I do to my hair, and I only do this about maybe once a week because I don't want to weigh my hair down too much. I am very prone to buildup, being a low porosity girl, but I found that doing this once a week gives my curls more longevity, so I can usually push my wash and go 2 weeks if I really want to, and I think I am going to be doing that just because, like, as you can see, they're still very defined, and I just don't see a point in me doing a whole other wash day when they still look nice. All they need is a little bit of moisture, a little bit of love, and they're good. So I just wait for my hair to dry and it will get bigger, and you guys have seen my nighttime routine. I put it up in a bun, take it on the next day, put some water, some conditioner on it, and I'm out the door. And that is basically it, you guys. This is probably one of the shortest videos I've ever made. So give it a thumbs up if you like short videos, and comment down below what else you guys want to see from me. And if you have gotten this far in the video and you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? I'll wait. Right down there. Okay, you hit it. Now, when you subscribe to my channel, make sure you turn on my post notifications as well, so that you'll always be notified when I upload a new video, which is every single day. So you don't want to miss out on that. So make sure you ring that bell and make sure you subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Because like I said, I'm very prone to